Hey guys, welcome to Cyber Kitty. In this video, we are going to talk about Falsy Bouncer. This is one of the assignments on JavaScript in pre-code camp. So all they want us to do is write a function which takes array as an input where you have multiple values in that array and then just filter out all the ones that are false and then return the rest of the values. So basically when they mean false is falsy values is this list. In sense, what happens is if you actually write an if condition and happen to enter any of these values in here, those are considered as false. So that's pretty much it, what falsy values means. So how are we going to do this? We are going to do this by using a filter method for arrays. So this is going to be a one-liner, so I'm just going to write it down and explain to you what happens here. So array dot filter. So what filter does is takes one callback function as an argument here. So what we're going to do is write function for an element x. It's one of the elements in there. And do something here. So what this does is if the return value is true, add that element to the newly filtered array. If the return value is false, do not add that element. So I'm just going to give an example. Let's say if the return is x is equal to 8. Let's just say that, right? We are writing a comparative function here. Let's just say if x is equal to 8, that returns true, so that value gets filtered out of the array. If it does not equal to 8, any other value, it gets vomited out. So if you actually run it, you would see you actually got 8 as an answer, even though that's not the whole point of it. I'm just giving an example on how filter function works out. So in here, what we want to do is we pretty much return x itself, because if x, these are all the falsy values, and if we don't want falsy values, and falsy values in a comparative sense are taken as a value false, by returning it every time this is false, do not add that to the array, which is the whole idea of writing this function. So by doing this, and if you run it, there we go, works out perfectly. So all it does is checks if the object is taken in a sense of false and not included, element is taken in the sense of false and not included. If anything other than that, it goes into the newly filtered array and returns back. So that's all about writing a falsy bouncer function here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's really quick. If you do have any questions, or if you have any suggestions on new videos that you want me to make, do comment on my video. And if you want to see more of it, do subscribe to my channel, Cyber Kitty. Again, have fun coding, and I will see you on my next video with more challenges and solutions. Thanks, guys. Bye.